Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. So today in this video, we will learn about a very interesting tool of code.org, which is called Artist Lab. Yes, Artist Lab. As the name suggests, many of you might have already guessed. It is a tool using which you can create your own drawings, your own art. Oh, wow. Isn't it interesting? Instead of creating your drawings on a paper with pen, you make your drawing using code. Okay, so let's get started. I hope you are able to see my screen. So very first step is, as usual, log into your code.org account. Okay, after logging to your code.org account, first step is to launch Artist Lab. Click on Create an Artist. This way, you will launch to the Artist Lab. Before writing code, we will first understand about this entire development environment. What is this and what are the various sections in this particular development environment? So as you can see, blocks. This block section is nothing but the toolbar, where all the available commands are already given. Okay, this workspace is the area where you can put all the commands together. Basically the commands which you want to put together to create your own drawing. Okay, these are the instructions. Usually if you are using your own drawing, these instructions does not matter a lot. Okay, and this is your area where you will see the output. Output means how your code is actually behaving. This is the run button using which you can run it. Okay, so before writing code, let's explore the command. Some important commands we will explore. You can see this action tab. Inside action tab, you have various commands, right? Like move forward. What does move forward do? Move forward will give the command to this artist to move forward by how many pixels? Whatever pixels you want to mention. Okay. Turn right is the command for the artist to turn right towards a certain degree. Okay. So what we have seen in our play lab or other exercises which we have done till now, turn right means it turns towards right to 90-degree angle. But because this is Artist Lab, here you have the opportunity to give the command in a more precise way. You can say by how many degree the artist should turn towards right. Now for the younger kids who do not understand degree, etc., don't worry. You will get to it. Turn left, jump forward. Okay. What is the difference between jump forward and move forward? Move forward will draw a line, moving forward by the pixels you have given. But jump forward will not draw a line. It will directly jump by these many pixels you give the command. Okay. And jump to top left position. This is the top left position. If you give this command, the artist will jump to the top left position. Or you can explore and see there are many other positions written: random position, top left, center, top right, middle left, like that. Okay. Okay. Another interesting toolbox is brushes. It is very interesting. We will explore it. See, you can set the color of your pencil, okay, or your brush. What should be the color of my brush? You can set it here. You can say it should be whatever color you want it to set. Okay, and you can say random color. This is another way to set the colors, but maybe in this video we will not go in details of how do we define color in terms of binary numbers. So leave it. You can define the width of your pencil. You can define the pattern. You can see so many beautiful patterns are given here, which you can actually define your brush to use. Then you can draw your own stickers. You can give some size to your own stickers. Wow, it sounds really interesting to me. Loops, they have given two kinds of loop. For the beginner purpose, we will only use repeat loop. Maths is again, we will see when we will do exercises. So for now, you just take a look at action, brushes, and loops. These three toolbars, and you should be able to create magic with Artist Lab. Okay, so what we are waiting? Yeah, I'm very excited. Let's start creating some magic. So what should we try? Let me try creating a square to begin with. Okay, so for creating a square, what I will have to do? Move forward. Say I want 100 pixels. Okay, before that I want something. I want to change the color. So I am using random color at this moment. Move forward by 100 pixels. Now, if I am saying that I want to create a square. In a square, to create a square, what you will have to do? You will have to give this artist command. Now turn 90 degree. Okay, so my next command will be turn right. You can say turn right or turn left. If you say turn right, the square will be created downwards. If you say turn left, the square will be created upwards. So I'm saying turn right. Now see, if you don't understand what is a degree, don't worry. Here you can see there is a visual representation. You can use this circle and say how many degrees you want your artist to take a turn. So I'm saying 90 degree. Now it is understood. From this side, your artist will now look forward this side. As you can see, it already started looking to the direction which I have set it to. Okay, now what do I want? I again want it to move forward 100 pixels. And then when it again moves 100 pixels, turn right by 90. So now I will introduce a loop. I do not want to write these commands again and again. I will introduce a loop here. How many times? How many sides a square have? A square have 4 sides. So it needs to be repeated 4 times. Okay, so yeah, you can see here the square is created. One more thing I would like to try. Maybe I will say set color to random inside my loop itself. What will happen? With every line, a new color will be set. Okay, so this is how we could create a square. Now what do I want? Let's create a triangle. So same thing we will have to do for creating a triangle as well. What I will do, a triangle has got 3 sides, right? So let's take a repeat block which says repeated 3 times. Again, I would like to give some color. So random color, move forward. By say 100 pixels. What happened when I give the command to move forward? It went in the same direction. But what do I wanted? I wanted to create a triangle. So I will have to turn it towards a particular angle. So what I will do, I will say turn left, because this time I want my triangle to be created upwards. By how many degrees? 120 actually. Okay, and voila, we could create our triangle. How does it look like? Isn't it looking like you are trying to create some artifact, some drawing? It looks amazing. You can combine various geometric shapes. You can use the various stickers given here, various patterns given here as your line, and you can actually create fantastic drawings. So let me do one thing. Let me set the pattern. Okay, here I'm setting the pattern as this. What happened? You could see my square is now created with this defined pattern. I can change the pattern whenever, whatever I want to, and you could see the magic being created. We will run it and see how it is being worked. One more thing, if you want this artist to run a little slower, you can adjust with this tool given here. This is, if you go towards tortoise, it will move slower. If you go towards rabbit, it will move faster. So let me move it a little slower. Reset and run. So I hope you had a lot of fun exploring Artist Lab. What are you waiting for? Let's explore it together and show me your drawings. See you soon. Bye-bye.